Comer Industries, with €342 million in turnover and 1,400 employees in 2017, is an international leader in the design and production of advanced engineered systems and mechatronic solutions for power transmission, used in heavy machinery in the agricultural, industrial, and renewable energy sectors. Headquartered in Reggiolo, in the province of Reggio Emilia, Italy, Comer Industries has 5 locations within Italy and additional locations in China, India, and the US. 5 years ago, we began the program of WCM, also known as World-Class Manufacturing. In November 2017, we were the first company of all CNH Industrial suppliers to reach the bronze level in this methodology. WCM is a structured system that follows the philosophies of lean manufacturing. The journey to our bronze level has been demanding and at the same time exciting. Today, after several years from its first application, you could agree that it has helped to create a culture of continuous improvement. With WCM, we've redesigned our production departments, assembly lines, and material flows, with emphasis on the safety of people and the satisfaction of our customers. The methodology has enabled us to achieve a considerable competitive advantage necessary for future development. A tangible sign of this is the reduction of over 90% of accidents in our factories, saturation levels higher than 80% of the plants, PPM customers below 200, and delivery on time at 95% for our customers. How is it possible to achieve these results? The key point is to measure and minimize waste. In this way, WCM has allowed people to realize that which before was not visible. The elimination of waste throughout targeted projects is the main focus in the strict application of WCM. The results have allowed Comer Industries to become an inspiration for innovation and continuous improvement in our industry, witnessed by customer and supplier visits. Another important point of WCM is the people, the engine of each change. In Comer Industries, more than 80% of employees have come together to form functional teams. Teams not based on hierarchy, but on transversal competence. The WCM methodology also highlights the subject of sustainability, indicating the need to reduce waste and energy. Finally, this path has contributed to the spread of a new company culture, in which the concept of zero optimum becomes the only possible objective for the achievement of continuous improvement. Our experience with WCM has been absolutely positive, and the results up to this moment testify to that.